Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through some videos on Streamlit, which is most popular open source Python framework for machine learning, such as video was fruits and vegetable classification and recognition. Today's video is really interesting and creative. This video is about beautiful flowers recognition using Streamlit. So let us go through the program. This is all about the program. Here data set are daisy, rendition rose, sunflower, tuple. Kagal is the data set from where I have taken the images. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Yes, it is there. Examples: daisy, rendition rose, tuple and sunflower. Now I will try the model. Now first of all I will take rose, submit. Yes, it is telling that it is a rose. Now I will another flower. Yes, it is also recognized, daisy. Now I will take another flower. Yes, it is also recognized. Then sunflower is remaining. I will take that. Sunflower is okay. Yes. So I have successfully done with flower recognition using Streamlit Web app. I really have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.